Apple might overhaul Siri using AI from OpenAI or Anthropic instead of their own model. This is the current direction according to Bloomberg's new report as Apple looks to close the gap in AI. Internally, the shift has caused a friction. One top engineer, Tom Gunther, has already left and MLX team has threatened to quit. Apple is running a separate effort called LLM Siri, which could power next year's Siri update with its own model. But executives believe that the third-party model is the fastest way to turn things around. Apple AI has not impressed anyone with the failure of basic tasks. Compared to Gemini and Galaxy AI, it seems half-baked and rushed. Apple used OpenAI for more advanced Apple intelligence queries. The partnership might grow, but Apple is also making a full acquisition of Anthropic. Well, Anthropic is weighed only at $61.5 billion. OpenAI is unfortunately at around $300. If Apple wants Siri to compete, it must do a major change. Partnership with OpenAI will just buy time. Buying Anthropic will give them control.